related to the raft in some way.
Yeah.
The piano raft. So it's back in operation again.
Yeah. Yeah, going to start moving every fortnight.
Right. Yeah,
Yeah.
'cause it's been around a few years.
Yeah.
I love the recycling stuff.
Thanks.
All these bits you got to.
I'm looking for a few more things.
Well, you know what? Plus a few 55-gallon drums, but I mean, you need transport because of, stuck at the side of the road in the outskirts of Leeds. So.
And are they all right condition?
I didn't stop.
Sorry?
I didn't stop.
Yeah.
And I'd seen it on the way out, and I saw the thing, and I thought.
I might just get a job lot really, but I could start looking
Yeah.
under like.
So what are they for? Flotation aids.
Yeah.
Right.
So
Right.
like
So you need them in.
even. I'll be a lot higher, and then I can build out from then.
Right. What's underneath all that? All the wood. Oh, is that it? So it's actually a raft. It's not a barge under there.
No.
So it's a proper raft.
Yeah.
Wow. And have you had it out of the water ever?
No.
No.
It won't ever come out of the water.
Because there's a lot of weight on it. Jenna frames.
Yeah. I mean, there was loads of barrels that fall everywhere either. They're not secure barrels.
Right.
But they're just locked in, so they are secure.
Right.
Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
Skis on both sides. There's
Right.
no way they get out, and they're just pushing up.
Yes. Yeah. Well, like the rafts we used to build as kids on the canal.
Yeah.
With barrels and rope and stuff. But yeah, if you did.
But I'm planning to make some adaptations for the river.
Oh, you're going to take it from the canal onto the navigable
and
river.
An engine of it as well.
So at the moment it's no engine. You have to drag it like an old-fashioned.
Yeah.
Oh, right. An electric motor or internal combustion.
I don't.
No, they're expensive.
A lot of money.
Yeah. And the batteries and everything.
I was thinking about like an inboard diesel.
Yeah.
And literally just gluing it to the back.
Yeah.
Building it into it.
Yeah.
And then chopping the top front off and using the front as the. So it's kind of like a little leisure cruiser, but this stuff in the middle.
That must be lovely. Yeah. I'm John, by the way.
All right, John. Ben.
Hi, Ben. Nice to meet you. I've got a camera I record my bike rides on, so it's been picking up our conversations.
Okay.
So if I put it on my bike rides thing, would you object? Or
No, it's
like
fine.
Just say that the piano raft on the canal. Just hearing what you're about to do with it. But yeah, it's lovely. It's nice to see as you're going past. It just sort of cheers you up to see the creativity.
Yeah.
And it's like it's a floating work of art, isn't it?
I'm getting used to being on the public side again.
So what do you do
Years.
apart from building piano rafts? What else do you do? Presumably you do artistic stuff somewhere.
I've made other things.
Right.
Projection work, and I'm actually planning to build and turn this into an instrument.
Right.
So that's where I'm going with that.
And you're musically, you are musical then, presumably.
I've got ears.
Yeah. So.
Do you play anything?
No, I got just good enough to pick things out on the guitar and then decided, there's people far better than me. I'll leave it to them. So I just listen to others. But yeah, it'd be good to hear.
Yeah.
What it is. A floating musical instrument. That will be something.
Well, it says here, this is not a raft, nor is it a ship. Rather, it is an instrument that plays an unfolding song.
Right.
So that's where it's going.
Right.
But yeah, I'm looking for 3 piano harps.
Yep.
So it can be from a knackered piano.
Yep.
And I'm going to fix it along here.
Yep.
And then I'm going to protect it. And then I'm going to have like hatches where you can play a few, and they'll be rigged up to. No, I don't want to talk about the inner workings of it. But
No,
it will
don't.
Become much bigger thing.
Let it grow organically as the thing does, and then at some point you'll be inviting us to join you in a performance and take part.
Yeah.
Interactive, and we'll make our music together. Ben, lovely to meet you. Okay, all the best. Take care.